So I definitely recommend that somebody else used you. Was it? Okay, so we had taken down wallpaper, so that's why our walls looked like Armageddon. Do you see that often?
Yes. Yes.
Right. So in my mind, it's like, oh, he's just gonna come and paint. It'll probably be one day. Fortunately, as I'm trying to get ready for the holidays, but you came and you were so polite to not say your walls are screwed,
Kind of work.
which I appreciate. So I definitely recommend that somebody else used you. Was there any special challenges that you had to?
Just, you can't see a lot of the imperfections until it was painted. So once we got that first coat of paint on, I had to come back in and see what was still needed to be hit again and then sand those back out. But other than that, I think it went pretty smooth besides just finding all the little imperfections.
Okay, and I'm in Gwinnett County in the Atlanta suburbs, but where do you work?
Atlanta and then all the surrounding suburbs outside. So like 30 minutes out of Atlanta, basically.
Okay, so you guys make sure clean. Oh, this is what I was saying to all the women. He is clean. Clean up behind himself, cleaning the whole time. I really appreciate it. So you guys hit him up.
All right. Thank you.